I just received this package from Jacquard, and I'm gonna open it up and show you what's inside. Ooh, all right, so they pack with paper, which I like, degradable. And we have, it looks like a sticker, very nice. And this box has ice dye kits in it. Are we ready? So each of these kits is for a single color, and I believe it comes with everything you need in here to ice dye a shirt. Comes with the dye, the soda ash, the gloves, rubber bands, and links to videos with tying patterns. That's awesome. I've been waiting for kits like this because it's a lot easier to attach to my videos. When new people see my ice dye videos and they want to do it, I'm always worried that somewhere in the process they're going to miss that they have to use soda ash or what kind of dye to use. So this is great. I'm very excited to try these out. Here's the rainforest color. 1 ounce of dye. I feel like that's a good amount of dye because I'm always buying like 2 ounce bottles, and those last through several sessions. The Nebula color, I'm a big fan of this color. Spumoni. I actually don't remember if I've tried this one. That'll be good. Then we have Meteorite. I like that. That's orange and blue. Very nice. And poinsettia. Is that how you pronounce that? Poinsettia? Maybe it depends on how it was pronounced when you were growing up. Beautiful. Red and green. All right. And there are just a few extra containers in here. And I'm going to give these a try and let you know how they go. So you're going to see some videos demonstrating using these kits. I'm very excited. Check this out. They got instructions on the back. That's so cool. The kits will have info, so you can scan there when you get your kit, and then on the back you get the simple instructions on how to get started. If you are trying to get started with ice dye, just dive in. I'm gonna say get one of these kits and just look at the instructions and dive in. Don't overthink it, don't research for 2 weeks, because you're gonna learn so much from the first time that you just try it. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's in the box. So you're gonna get gloves, rubber bands, soda ash. This is the stuff that makes the color permanent, so you definitely don't skip that step. Oh, more soda. Oh, that's nice that it's packaged in more than one container. And the little dye container. I love these. Ooh, they're like little, cute. I love that because I actually save my spice jars to do just this. So that's very cool. I love that. All right, I can't wait to get started with these little kits. I love the thought that's gone into these because with this, you have the essentials that you need to start ice dyeing.